Hello, in this video we are going to learn about how to draw our own sprite. Like as of now we were using sprites that were already given in the Scratch program, but as we all know we are having an option where we can draw our own sprite also. So how we are going to do that we'll learn in this video. Alright, so let's start. See, this is the sprite option. Whatever the number of sprites we are using in our code or in our project, they are displayed here. Like as of now, there is only one sprite of a cat. Now, if you click on this option, you will see we are having four different sub options. First one is choose a sprite, that is to choose a sprite from already provided to us, or we can paint our own sprite, or we can upload a sprite. So in this video we are going to learn about how to paint our own sprite. Okay, so let's click on this. Here it is. So let us suppose we want to make a man that is skipping a rope. We all know what is skipping. The person holds a rope in his hand and he jumps on that. So we are also going to make such kind of sprite here. So the very first thing we will need to remember is this option, convert to bitmap. We want our sprite to be made in that. We click on this. Now you will see the screen will change like this. So first let us draw a man. Okay, so we'll draw a man like it is going to have some circular head, and as you can see the color is purple, so we can change it from here. The fill option, we want that the color should be completely black like this, and then we'll make a body like this, and then the legs like this, then the hands. It's very simple, we can make this with our own. Now we want to make a rope, so what we'll do, we'll click on the brush option and we'll choose a color, like any color that we want to make. Let us say we'll choose a red color. So we'll click on the brush option, click on here and end it here. Alright, so this is what our sprite looks like. It's holding a rope and in the up direction. We can, for more detail, we can also make the eyes and the mouth of the man. So what we'll do, we'll click on the brush option again, change the color. Like as of now the face is completely black, so we need a color that is easily visible, like a white color, let's say. So we'll click on this here. These are the eyes and this is the mouth. Okay, so this is what our man looks like when he is holding a rope and doing the skipping. Now we can make different costume of the same image. So what we'll do, we'll right click on this and we'll click on duplicate. Now you'll see the copy of this same costume will be created. Now in this we'll do what, we'll just change the orientation of the hands. First we'll erase. We have our eraser kind of option here. Click on erase and we'll remove this from here. Now we'll make his hand in the downward direction. So for that again we need to click on line option. What we'll do, okay, so first we need to change the color to black. Now we'll click on the line. Now we'll draw his hand like this and like this. Now again we need to draw a row. So what we'll do, we'll click on the brush again, change the color. We can change the color as, just a minute, yes, red, and we'll draw this. Now see, this is what a man looks like. Here our man looks like he's holding the rope above his head, and here it is below his head. Alright, so we are almost done. We have drawn our sprite, and for this cat sprite we can remove it. So when you complete your code, it will look something like this. Alright, you see the costume. Now we need to make a code from which a project by which the man should look like it is skipping. So what we'll do, we'll select the very first thing, the common thing, an event. We'll go to the event block, we'll select one of the event like when green flag is clicked. Then what we'll do, we will click on this. Okay, one more thing, we need for our it should look good. What we'll do, we'll change the backdrop also. We all know backdrop, the background image of this. We'll click on this and we'll choose a background. Let us say it should look like the man is doing the skipping on a beach. Then we'll click on we'll select a beach, and the size is, if it is greater, we click on the size and we can reduce the size. Now see, this is what a man looks like. He's on the beach and doing the skipping. Now we'll come to our blocks. What block we are going to include? When green flag is clicked, then in looks option, see, whenever we are going to click on the green flag, first the rope is going to be in neutral state. What happened? The rope is going to be ground. So you click on this, you select this costume, and you look here, we are having a few options related to costume. The first is switch costume to costume 2, next costume. Okay, so as of now we want, whenever we click on the green flag, this rope, it should be always be on the ground. So we'll click use this block, click on it, drag and place it here like the costume 2. Then what happens? Now we want that our man should look like it is skipping. So what we'll do, we'll put any block like wait, that our program should wait for 1 second, and after that what should happen, the rope will come at the top of his head. So that is switch to next costume. Alright, so as of now we have completed most part of our code. Let's check how it is going on. We click on the green flag and you will see yes, so it is taking a time. So what we can do, we can reduce the number of seconds. Now we'll do, see, so this is what our man, and suppose we want we don't want to click again and again, we can use what kind of statements? The control statements. Like I told you before also, we have a repeat block. Here the step, like if we want that the man should do skipping 10 times, so we'll drag on this here, and we'll place it here. Now inside that, what should happen? After every 0.5 second, the costume should change. So it will look something like this. I'll click on the green flag and see. See, the man is looking like it is skipping the row. So this is how we can draw our own sprite and use it in our own project. In the same way, you can also use this. You can also draw your sprite and use it in your own project, any kind of project that you want. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you.